Hi everyone, and welcome back to my home office. Let's have a quick desk tour video before we go on the holidays. For the chair, I have a Sihu M57 ergonomic chair. It's very sturdy and comfortable to sit on. I especially like the mesh material used as it helps me keep cool for long sessions. It has a height-adjustable headrest with tilt. The armrest is movable, height-adjustable, and can also swivel. And the best part is being able to recline. I have a custom-made table here with a monitor stand and built-in cable management. I'll link the desk upgrade video here somewhere. To the right of the table, I have my IKEA Alex drawer to hold my stuff. For the peripherals, I have two sets of mouse and keyboard, one for the PC and one for the laptop. I keep the Corsair K65 and Glorious Model D under the monitor riser when not in use. I also have this wrist rest I got from Shopee because I cheaped out on the Delta Hub Carpios. But for now, it does the job. For the audio, I have a Tough H3 headset with a built-in mic. It also has built-in mute and volume controls. On the right side of my desk is my TP-Link decor router, which we also reviewed on the channel. Beside that is a wooden bowl I use for little trinkets. And of course, a fake IKEA plant. Under the monitor, I have my Google Home Mini. This is now primarily used to play music on Spotify, check the weather, and keep up with my to-do list on Google Calendar. Beside it is an Android figure I like to keep around. Reminds me of my first job as an Android app developer. I also keep my AirPods here for quick access. Lastly, I have a simple phone stand here that I got from Shopee as well. Shopee, baka naman. On the left side of my table is my salt lamp, a matchbox car, and my snake plant. Now for the machines powering the setup, I have my PC where I usually do light work, document management, and casual games. It's a humble PC with a Ryzen 5, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 1650 Super. I keep the iPad Pro around as well in case I need to go on meetings that require video. Last for the machines is a MacBook Pro I use for coding and video editing. I linked the What's in My Tech Bag video here as well. Both the laptop and the iPad sit on this stand I got from Shopee. Its minimal design fits in well with the space, and it's built for 2 devices. It's also easily adjustable so you can fit larger laptops. Of course, it won't be a HomeOfficePH video without the clean canteen. Last but definitely not the least, I have a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor from Huawei. This has a built-in speaker which makes the setup all the more tidy and efficient. We did a recent unboxing of this which is also linked below. So that's been it for our 2021 desk tour. Now take a break, relax, enjoy the holidays, and afterwards, I'll see you back in my home office. Till next time!